What's up, guys? Gonna do a quick review on this Kenmore super automatic coffee machine, KKSACM-B. I just figured out, I had it for like about 2 weeks and just totally figured out how to use everything. So I'm gonna share it with y'all because I couldn't find a video to help myself, but I figured it out. So I was about to clean it, because I've been using it, but I'm just gonna jump to it. Pretty much got all your parts already. When you take everything apart, got all this stuff comes out, but you got to put everything together. This is basically a float. When the water fills up in here, this floats up, and it comes up here, lets you know that it's full. So you could, this is where the coffee grains dump into after it's made. That goes on there. When you put that together, slide that up in there. That's sealed. The filter you have has to go on here. It just pops right in. Fill up this with water. That fills up with water. That slides right on in there. Boom. And you got your bottle it comes with for your milk, for your steamed milk or whatever. That goes on there to the side there. This goes on to the side here. Boom. Then this goes inside here. Oh shit. Excuse the mess, man. Kid has everything all over the place. That goes on there. It goes back into there. Boom. Coffee grains go up here. Whatever grains you like. Just fill it up. You can fill this whole thing up. It fills up. I use this. It's really good coffee, actually. Anyway, you can adjust the coffee. I think by default it's between 2 and 3. And I guess, you know, the more you go, the richer it is or whatnot. You can figure that out on your own. Cover that up. Power her up. So normally when you power it, it does its own clean cycle. It flushes on its own. So I usually put a cup here to let it catch it. And they tell you to put this in here so everything will drain into this. And that'll fill up and you can just dump it. But I just use a cup. I'll either drop this in the cup or whatever. It's up to you, to each his own. But right now it's doing its little whatever it's doing. And it's gonna clean itself out. See? It's actually flushing itself. I don't think that's gonna do anything yet unless you actually pick it. But this part here is cleaning itself. So if I wanted to clean this now, this is what I press here. So I can either put it in here, it's gonna drain into the tray, or I can put it here. Either way, you'll see, look. Press that, you gotta press play. It's gonna send, it's cleaning the hose. Nice warm water. You see this thing, the only thing I really, complain I have about this, the water goes fast. But if you're making small cups of cappuccino, it'll last you a while. Because especially when it does its own clean cycle, it takes quite an amount of water. You see, I had that full. But all you got to do is basically, when you want to fill up water, you just pull this out a little. You can fill the water right here. You don't got to take the whole thing out. You know what I mean? You can fill up the water there with bottled water, whatever you use. Push it back. So if I want to make a cup now, let's say if I wanted to do expresso, I could choose expresso. I could use this option, which is 2 cups. And I guess, you can use either side here. You can put 2 cups here and use both sides to get 2 cups. Or you can be greedy and put both cups in your cup. So I'm not going to do the double cup. So this is the size, the amount. You got 3 levels, 1, 2, 3. And this is the strength. This bottom one, we'll get to that, but that's actually if you wanted to use instant coffee. Not instant, but already grounded. So you put that on max. I'm not going to make a big cup because this is just a demo. I'm going to go to a small cup. You choose that. I choose espresso. I press that. Right now it's grinding the coffee beans. It's sending it over. And now it's going to do its thing. Makes really great coffee, by the way. That's the espresso coming out there. That's done. You could take it out as soon as it's done. If I wanted to add milk, I'll just press the milk. It's already in there. You see that? It's connected. I'll put my level of milk. I'm not going to put a lot because this is just a demo. Put one level, press that. It's going to pull the milk out of there. Oh, you can pull this down too to get closer if you want. That's cool. Milk. Take it out. You can put whatever you want, and when you're not using it, you know, so you don't waste it, you take the tube out and you just put that in the refrigerator. It seals up nice. See, there you go. You can lift this up. You can to your desired height, and boom, there you go. That's done. So I pretty much, you know, you can make regular coffee, Americano. Oh, back to the ground coffee. So basically, I found out if you want to use ground coffee, you're going to have to choose. You're going to have to choose whatever you want to choose. Let's say we do coffee. You're going to use this setting all the way down to there, to the spoon. So you have to put this in while, you know, the power is on, obviously. You put your ground coffee in through here, the amount you want, in through here. And then you put how many scoops or whatever you put. And then you choose that setting, whatever coffee you want or whatever, and you press play. And it'll pull that coffee through. Excuse my phone. That's pretty much it. Hot water, straightforward. It's going to pull hot water from here, heat it up, send it. And once the power is on, it'll cycle and clean itself. I just finished using it, so if I wanted to clean it, that clean button right there, it cleans this, the straw. Like I said, we could put it here. I'll show you, man. Why not? I could put it here. I'll let it do its clean cycle there. You gotta press play with everything you do. Shit is like a goddamn video game. It's gonna clean out thoroughly. See? Clean. It's pretty dope, man. It makes really, really good coffee. Really, really good espresso. I have no complaints. Don't forget, if you got small cups, you can pull this down. You can pull it back up. You can take that out, wash it, put it there. You can cover this up. Put that in the refrigerator. So finish cleaning. Take that out. You dump that in garbage. Take this. You pour it out. You take all this stuff comes apart. Whatever. For maintenance and stuff, you want to do maintenance. You pull this out. Put out your water container. Push. You open that door. Do it again. You open this door, put your fingers here, you squeeze in, There's a handle here, you see? Pull this whole cartridge out. And you can clean this. You can get in there, clean inside there if you want. You see how it gets? It's about a week of stuff. You just rinse it out, whatever you want to do. Get a spray bottle of water, rinse it to the bottom, whatever. Or just take the whole machine and rinse it out. It doesn't matter. This slides right back in. Remember, you have to push it in so that pops back. That closes. I don't know why I got so messy. I shook the machine up just now, so. But that's pretty much it. Probably the only review on here right now, so let me help people out. Because I didn't have no help, and I had to figure it out. I wasted a lot of coffee and a lot of time, but I figured it out. So there we go. That's the KKSACM-B. I actually bought it from Home Depot. Good luck.